It's Lisa. Just a quick video tonight. It's very late at night, so apologies for the lighting. It's not very good. What I've been working on tonight is putting together some happy meal for one of my friends abroad, and I've sent her a little package before, but I wanted to send her another one. So I've been working on that for the past couple of days and writing a letter to her just to catch up, and I thought I would make her a little stick pin. I recently did a video on the sewing, no, not the sewing, the needle books, that's what they're called, and I hope you enjoyed it. And one of my followers, who always leaves lots of lovely comments, suggested that I did a tutorial on the stick pin. And I thought tonight, well, if I'm making up the stick pin, I might as well do a video and show you how it's done. So this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. But I wanted to just show you that you can make something like this with very little supplies. All you really need is a stick pin and some beads, but you don't need to go and spend a fortune buying lots of jewellery making supplies. I get all of my beads from the local charity shop, and it's the shop that I get a lot of stuff in. And it's usually broken old necklaces or jars of beads that I pick up there, and they're £1 or £2, so they're fantastic value. And then I bring them home and give them a good clean and dry them, and I sort them out into my bead box. And I'll show you my bead box right here so that you can see the kind of things that I gather up. So these are pretty much all supplies from the charity shop, and once I've washed them and dried them, I sort them out. So we've got like pink and cream, wooden, kind of dark green ones here, purpley toned ones, gold, lots of green, black. And I got smashing ones which are in this section, and they're kind of metallic or shimmery, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So I've been really liking using them, and I wish I could get more of these actually. And they're kind of sparkly and shimmery, and they're amazing. And then what I use at the bottom is the back of an old earring, which I get these in the charity shop as well, and cut them up and take them to bits along with all the other stuff I get. So that's my bead box, and this whole box would have cost no more than £5. Probably much less actually. Right, so I'm going to take these off, and then I'm going to sit down and show you how to put it together. And if I keep it on this white piece of paper, although I am aware that there's shadows there, then I know you'll be able to see me. The only thing I really would like to get is different kind of stick pins. I've got pink ones and I've got love heart ones, but I would like maybe glass ones, because the white pearl doesn't really match everything. And what I do is I use Glossy Accents glue. It's really good for metal, and I just run a little bit of Glossy Accents along, just like so. Not all the way around, you just need it on one bit. And then you just select your beads, and I spent a little while selecting these ones, and it's just a variety of sizes and colours, and you basically just thread them through, and if you get a little bit of glue, excess glue, you can wipe it off with a tissue. Should have got a tissue ready actually. And then I'm going to put in a little cream one, and then just keep pushing it up. And then I'm going to go for this one. And another little cream one. But like I said, because I've got these out the charity shop, I am kind of short on certain things. One of them being gold spacers. I have silver spacers, but not gold ones. And gold ones would be lovely, like on some of these bigger beads. And then all I'm going to do is just put a little bit round there just to finish it off. Or I suppose you can put it on the bead. And then slide this little clip in like so, and push them all up to make sure they're nice and tight. And that's it. A very quick, easy, cheap little stick pin that you can use in your craft projects, like the needle book that I made recently, or they would be great in journals as well. In fact, you could use them for lots of things. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm hoping it'll not be too long before I'm back with some more videos, but I need to work on some knitting because my son and his girlfriend are having a baby, so I'm getting another little grandchild this year in October, so I'm going to be starting the knitting soon. So maybe I'll come back and show you some knitting projects. It's late at night, so my brain isn't working very well. Anyway, that's it. That's all. And I'll say cheerio, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.